Andy Goldsworthy is an artist, sculptor, and photographer. He is actually a British artist and was born in England in 1956. He went to the Bradford College of Art. Andy Goldsworthy uses things from nature to create his artwork. Natural materials such as leaves, mud, flowers, sticks, rocks, thorns, bark, grass, pine cones, even ice and snow are some of his art media. He is an environmentalist. An environmentalist is a person who is concerned with or advocates the protection of the environment. Andy Goldsworthy's art helps us to see our place in nature as well as how we affect nature. We often forget that we are nature. Nature is not something separate from us. So when we say that we have lost our connection to nature, we've lost our connection to ourselves. Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy made his art in this picture out of different colored leaves that he found. How long do you think it took him to make and photograph these pieces of art? He typically leaves his artwork in nature after he photographs it. What do you think happens to his art? He even uses snow and ice to make his art. How would you feel leaving your art behind after making it? Now it is your turn to dream, create, and inspire. It is your turn to see what you can make. How his art and the pictures previously have inspired you to create your own art from nature. Use items around your house to create your own Andy Goldsworthy inspired art piece. If you can do this outside, try finding items in nature to create your art piece. If not, try using fun items from around your house to create your art piece. Here are some questions to help you get started. While looking at the collage of Andy Goldsworthy's work, ask yourself, what repeating shapes do I see? What shapes could I use in my artwork? What colors did he use? What colors could I use? Do you think he takes his time picking specific colors for his project? What type of patterns do you see? And last but not least, what type of lines do you see? Now go and use nature and the elements of art and the principles of design to create your own unique piece. Please place it on the Facebook page or send it in to your teachers on Classroom. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Have a great day.